China's live performance industry has picked up momentum in recent months as the country emerged from the epidemic and entered a new phase of COVID-19 response with optimized measures. In Shanghai, a music festival was held in a botanical garden in early June after a hiatus of 2 years, featuring classical music performed by Vienna Symphony Orchestra.
我来自云南，然后今天呢也是第一次来到辰山植物园这边，第一次看音乐节，然后感觉非常的不错，然后氛围也是非常的浓厚。音乐的话就是听起来非常的柔和，然后和大自然呀什么的非常的贴近。
In Yongjia County of Zhejiang Province, a music festival lasted more than 40 days earlier this year, attracting tens of thousands of people. In Tianmen Mountains of Zhangjiajie in Hunan Province, a concert was held in April at an altitude of more than 1,300 meters. In Tianjin, a music festival kicked off in late May and will last until July.
音乐实际上离我们并不遥远，音乐就在我们生活之中。我相信这也是我们音乐节想做的最大的一件事情，就是让大家更多的到音乐厅里面来，在户外可以更多的接触到音乐。
其实很多歌对我们来说都很熟悉，然后这次能够在这个演出里亲眼看到关牧村老师的演出，感觉还是很激动的。
According to statistics from the China Association of Performing Arts, in the first quarter of this year, the number of commercial performances nationwide totaled 68,900, an increase of 95.42% year-on-year. Their revenue totaled 4.98 billion yuan, up 110.99% year-on-year. Concerts and music festivals sold more than 1.1 million tickets, making it the highest grossing category.